Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. I am going to show you guys how you guys can use Ibotta, because I always talk about Ibotta, and thank you guys to you guys that did sign up using my referral code. It will be linked in the description box if you guys, I think I forgot to link it in the last one, but you guys did sign up using my referral code, but I will link it this time in the description box. It's so hot. And you can do Ibotta at CVS, Walgreens, Target. This is where I use Ibotta at, but for today's video we're gonna go to Walmart and do this deal at Walmart. So I got myself a $20 budget because you can cash out at $20. And then, like I said, my referral code will be below if you guys want to sign up for Ibotta. You don't necessarily have to use my referral code, but the reason why I recommend you guys using it is because we do have teams on Ibotta, and a lot of times there are deals that the teams can do together. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I am back home, and so I'm gonna go through everything that I got and tell you guys how you can break this down, and I'm going to show you guys what I ended up getting, but I'm going to tell you guys what to do so you can get this. Alright, so I already submitted everything, and I did it on screen. So I recorded my screen so I can show you guys how you can submit everything to Ibotta. You want to make sure that you do scan your receipt down here at the bottom. And once it take off everything, you guys probably see in mine that it didn't take off everything at once because I forgot to check some stuff. So make sure you have everything checked. And then once you have all of the items that you purchase, if you purchase 6 items, 6 offers from Ibotta, then you can get the $5 additional cash back for completing the hashtag goals bonus. So that was the $5 thing that I did. So this is what I did. I picked up one of the L'Oreal True Match blushes, and I had a $2 off L'Oreal coupon, which I did show you guys, and I did submit this on Ibotta for $2. Then I had the clear sale, and this is the Rapid Rescue Deep Treatment Pads. And you have to make sure you guys scan it in the store to make sure that it works, because some items, just because it says clear sale and it says like any clear sale on Ibotta, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's anyone. So make sure you scan it in stores to make sure that yours work. This came up to be $5.98. I had a $2 off coupon, so I used the $2 off coupon and I submitted it on Ibotta for $2. So I ended up only paying $1.98 for this. Okay, so this was my favorite one right here, and this was Black Opal. Now this is where I messed up at. This Black Opal concealer came up to be $4.94. You want to pick up 2 of these. I only picked up 1, but you want to pick up 2. Make sure you get 2 of these. These are $4.94, and there's a $4 Ibotta rebate on this. And you can redeem both of them on your Ibotta account. So make sure you pick up 2, because this is what's gonna get your total to $20. Okay, so make sure you get it 2. I did not pick up 2 because I didn't think about this until afterwards, and mine ended up getting mixed up. But make sure you get 2 of these. Okay guys, 2 of these. You're only paying 94 cents for these, for each one. So really good deal there. Okay, so make sure you pick up 2 of those. Alright, so the next thing I picked up is the St. Ives Acne Control apricot scrub. I think I already have one of these. Alright, so this came up to be $3.63, and there is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. But this right here was a complete freebie, guys, and actually a 2-cent money maker. This is the Heinz Real Mayonnaise, the squeezable one or the jar, both of them, as long as you make sure, like I said, scan it in store and make sure it's right. But both of them are priced at $3.48, and you get a $3.50 credit on Ibotta. So go ahead, pick this up because it's completely free. Now this is what I ended up picking up, and this brought me to $26.45. I just picked up this Blue Bunny loaded sundaes because I wanted to try it, and then I picked up some unsalted butter from Country Crop, and this is the 4-pack. So I did redeem those on Ibotta, and it did take off $1.50. It took off 50 cents for the ice cream and $1 for the butter, so it did take off for that. So I'm not like mad about it, but I kind of wish I would have did a better deal, because it would have took off $4 instead of $1.50 if I would have picked up 2 of these. So that's why I said go ahead and pick up 2 of these, and that's going to get your total right at $2.20. With a $5 goals bonus, that's going to get you right at $20, and you're going to be able to cash out and get your $20 right back. Really good deal. Like I said, my Ibotta referral code will be in the link below and on this video somewhere, so you guys can sign up for Ibotta and get you some freebies. And it doesn't necessarily have to be this stuff, it can be anything. Like I said, just make sure you scan it in store, actually see if it's gonna work with your Ibotta account. But yeah, I'm gonna go because it's getting dark, obviously, as you guys can see. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if this video was helpful, and by giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.